Right, today we're going to take a simple 2-out key and cut a blank, and we're going to grab Keller Sentry remote, and put it into an X-Horse key fob with a flip key. Okay, first things first. Open up our remote. Grab our VVDI X-Horse mini tool. Open up. And plug it in. She'll take the board out and make it a bit easier. Plug it in like that. Then we'll open up our app. Sync to the tool, and we want to do a remote clone. No, let's do remote cloud recognition. Makes it so much easier. So start testing. Straight remote key.
Please the first time to press LOCK button. Please the second time to press LOCK button. Please the third time to press LOCK button.
Can't support the remote. Okay. So it's a straight remote clone. Special clone.
Click Start to clone button to clone.
Start clone.
Please press Lock button. Please press Lock button. Please press Lock button again. Please press Unlock button. Please press Unlock button again. Please press Unlock button. Please press Unlock button again. Please press Trunk button.
Don't have a trunk, so we'll skip this button.
Please press Panic button.
We don't have a panic button either. Enhance special clone. We've got a little board connected to our tool. Clone. The light's flashing, just so it's reading, or writing, should I say. And complete. And we'll grab our board, put a CR2032 battery into the remote, which I'll just do now. Oops, turn that one off. So those two there, go on them. So grab our cut key, put it into there, grab our big view from this angle, but we'll put that there. And push that pin in like that. Whoops, I think I pushed that pin too far in, or not enough. Not enough, has to go just a smidgen more. Like that, and there's another key done.